Upon arrival, they headed straight to the base of operations where Singapore's USAR team served as the area coordinator for search operations around Naypyidaw and Mandalay.
On Wednesday, the team was assigned to assess and provide assistance at civil servant residences in Terdiri ward, where many victims were still trapped. The team successfully evacuated 3 individuals from the building ruins, though they had already passed away.
In addition to search and rescue efforts, the Indonesian Humanitarian mission team also provided medical services to local residents by setting up an emergency health post.